Welcome back to my shed, and in today's video I'm going to be using this pile of wood here that I got from the haul I made from my last video, and I'm going to make something that I found on Etsy. And I just can't believe the price they're looking to sell these things for, like 5 or 6 slats of pallet wood. I'm hoping the way I make it, I should be able to get 2 products out the same lot of slats. But first off, by sorting out the wood to a decent pattern, and then we will be trimming one side off, getting ready to make it nice and square. Now I'm measuring out to make sure all the wood is cut to the same width. Now I'm going to be getting my straightening jig out again, and I will now trim off the rest, so every single one of these should be the same width now. There is a video on how I made this jig on my channel if you're interested. Now they all fit together nicely. It is now time to get the shark on there. I tweaked the design a little bit. I wasn't happy with the shape it was giving out. It wasn't like dangerous enough for a shark. There's too many curves. So I've put points on all the fins. So hopefully it looks a lot more like a shark when it's cut out. I am going to be using a jigsaw to cut this out. I want to show that you can make something like this with minimal tools. You could use a bandsaw or a scroll saw, but you've got to make sure you've got the space around to be able to do it. My bandsaw, I just don't have the space around out the back to do these cuts, annoyingly. Now it's all cut, it's time to build this together. The issue I did have is that where I've changed the shape, I did do one little mistake, but it should be easy fixed. As you can see down here is where I made a little mess up where I was following the wrong line, but that should be an easy fix. I also lost this piece off here. It ended up being so small when I cut it off. It just disappears, so I'm just going to have to treat that slightly, I think, or maybe just leave it. See what I decide at the end of the day. And this one seems to be slightly off. It was originally about there, so on both sides, but I think I might just push it along, and then we'll recut this bit here and we'll redraw it. But overall that's pretty simple, and we'll get this thing glued. Now I'm going to be leaving this overnight and come back to it tomorrow. I'm just giving it a quick sand, but overall I was going to use a blowtorch on it anyway and go for a nice burnt look. And then I couldn't work out what I liked or not. So originally I was just going to burn around the shark, but now I've gone around and decided to burn the whole thing. Push it off. Get out the unicorn spit. Nice 50-50 ratio of unicorn spit to water. And then we'll brush on the white mixture. Left it there to sit for 5 minutes. It kind of mixed with the charcoal to give it this grey look. Then I used paper and removed any excess. And I guess there's a quick paint with spray lacquer. This is a nice handy little jig I've made for casting keyholes. I use it on a lot of things to just push it in, go up and down, and then give it a nice little keyhole. Now it's done. What do you think? You know, there's a pretty quick project. I only used 6 slats and a quick cut out of a shark. Great thing about this is that you could use any shape and do a silhouette of any animal or anything you want to, so the whole process will be the same. I'm really impressed with how this comes out. I just can't believe how much some people are trying to sell this on Etsy for. You know, as you can see, you know, right in the picture there, it's a lot of money for a bit of pallet wood. But if it sells, it sells. At the beginning of this video, I was going to try and do 2 projects out of 1 lot of wood. As you saw, I cut out the rest of the shark. I have still got that, which will become a video sometime in the future. I've just run out of time for this one, so I'll get this one out, and that will follow afterwards. But thanks for watching. If you could subscribe, that help out the channel a lot. And I will see you on the next video. If you enjoyed this video, I've queued up 2 more videos for you to choose from. I've got one here, and I've also got one over here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.